Place is one of the options that you have to edit items in bulk. This option can edit your entire set of inventory items from one place and in one step, applying the change to all items that you have in your Vendio account. With this option, you can edit the price of your items at eBay and the Vendio store, your Vendio store sale price and date range for the sale, the shipping, payment, and tax profiles that you are using, and also whether or not all of your items are visible on the Vendio store. In order to use Bulk Replace, go to your My Items page and put check marks next to the items that you want to edit. You can select all of your items or a subset of your items. Then click the Actions button and then select Bulk Replace. This will open the Bulk Edit panel to the right. The fields here that are not grayed out are the fields that can be edited using Bulk Replace. As an example, you can set all items in your account to be visible on the Vendio store by selecting Visible from the In-Store drop-down box and then clicking Save at the bottom right of the page. You will then see a message letting you know if the action was successful, as well as some additional information. You can see here that now all of the items have a green check mark in the In-Store column and are visible in the Vendio store.